Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Polar Unite watch. To begin, locate the custom USB charging adapter that came with your watch. This adapter is the only way to safely and effectively power up your device. You will connect this adapter to a standard powered USB port, such as one on a computer, a wall adapter, or a power bank. Before connecting, always check that the charging contacts on both your watch and the adapter are free from moisture, dust, or dirt. Gently wipe them if needed. Next, carefully align the 4 pins on the USB charging adapter with the corresponding pins on your Polar Unite watch. Once aligned, snap the adapter firmly into place to ensure a secure connection. Once properly connected, a charging animation will appear on your watch's display, indicating that power is flowing. The battery icon on the screen will gradually fill up as your watch charges. When this battery icon is completely full, it signifies that your Polar Unite is fully charged and ready for use. If the battery is totally drained, the animation may take a moment to appear. For optimal charging, if using a wall outlet, ensure your USB power adapter is marked with output 5 VDC and provides a minimum of 500 milliamperes. Never use a 9-volt charger, as this can damage your Polar Unite. Also, avoid charging your watch in temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius to protect the battery's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.